it might be very good for young people, but for older people it's a bit difficult. But all in all, yeah, it's a game, good music.
It was really fun and quite intuitive. One of them I found much more difficult than the other game. Oh, I nearly missed it.
I've got a bad neck and it requires too much neck movement for me, so it's not ideal for me.
Game was really satisfying to play.
Sound. It comes to us from all directions in the real world. But what about the digital world? Introducing JoyBudz, the world's smallest 3D spatial audio earphones with 5.1 surround sound. Combined with 9-axis motion tracking sensor technology, we've created the next generation audio experience. Close your eyes and find the sound source. Turn your head to play the games. No need to buy expensive gear. Wear JoyBudz and dive into sound. Track your movement, correct your posture if you're too focused, and get reminders to relax your neck. 3D spatial audio offers you more detailed sound and gives you the advantage while gaming. JoyBudz gives you the ultimate personal listening experience. The 5.1 surround sound creates a theater-like experience. With its API, you can use JoyBudz with games or apps. You can enjoy the spatial audio features for only $99. Back us today. Jump into the next generation audio experience.